Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama What's Up. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this crunchy chin chin. So stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. So right now I have here with me 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. So as you can see, this is just 1 cup. I have here with me sugar, and the next one is butter, and here is my baking powder, and this one is my nutmeg, yeah, and this one is my fresh milk, 1.5% fat. So let's get started. So for a start, what I'm going to do is to get a clean bowl, add my flour. Yes. So the next step is to add a tea tablespoons of baking powder. Yes, guys. Sorry guys, I forgot to add show my salt. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Yes guys, just a pinch, yeah, and that is all. And the next one is to add a tea tablespoons of nutmeg. Yeah, now I'm adding my nutmeg. Don't worry about the ones that have sprinkled here. It doesn't matter. It's just 1 spoon. I measured it very well. Then mix together. So now I'm going to add 1 spoon of sugar. Guys, take notes, this is a big spoon, yeah, a tablespoon. So I add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So after mixing, the next step is to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Yeah. So remaining 1. Then mix together. Right now I'm going to use my hand. Make sure your hand is clean before mixing it. So I'm going to mix. So after mixing the butter inside, the next step is to add a cup of milk. Yeah. So now I'm adding my milk, inside. Then mix. So guys, my dough is ready. The next thing is to roll it out and cut. Yes guys, So the next step is to add a little bit of flour so that it doesn't get stick on the board. Yeah guys, so just gonna do this again and roll it. Yes. So right now the next step is to use my cutter to cut it step by step to the size I want. Yes. So okay guys, this is the finishing product for me slicing it. The next thing is to add it inside my air fryer and fry. Yes guys. So guys, I'm gonna put this in the air fryer just like this and make sure there is enough space for it. So this is the air fryer we're gonna use to fry it. So right now I'm putting it inside the air fryer, as you can see. Yeah. So guys, in the air fryer I use 160 degrees 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes I will bring it out and move it around. Yes guys, the truth is that I love my a little bit brownish, so that is it. Depending on the degrees you are grilling it, that determines how many minutes you can grill yours. So that is it guys, keep watching. And if you are watching to this extent, you've not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. To my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming by to support me. So guys, this is how brownish is looking. Yeah, and this is the way I love mine. So brownish and crunchy. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. So I will proceed the same step. So guys, you can see guys, I make sure that there is space. Then after some time I will turn it around, then put it inside again to get done, and that is it. So guys, I proceed the same step all over and all over again until it was ready. Everything was finished. So this is the finishing part of it guys. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Feel free to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. If you have any question, don't forget to drop some line at the comment section down below. So I'll see you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. So guys, I have a video that will show at the end stream at the end part of the video, so please do check it out. And thanks for watching. See you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Yo.